Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Teams images not loading. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to right click on the desktop and select display settings. Set this scale to recommended. After setting this to recommended, just to close up here and go to search now and type Teams. Comes up Microsoft Teams, right click and select the app settings. And now scroll down and select the repair option. Select the reset option. After getting done, just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to press Windows key and R key together and type here percentage app data percentage again. Click on OK. Find a Microsoft folder. Double click on it. Find Teams. Just right click on the Teams and select delete option. And now go back to app data and double click on the local and find a package S. Just double click on it. Now find Microsoft Teams. Scroll down to the bottom. As you can see in here, Microsoft Teams. Just right click on it and select delete option. And now you can launch the Teams and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Teams. To do this, go to search menu and type Teams, right click on it and select uninstall. After getting the uninstall done, search store, comes up Microsoft Store, click on open it. In search, you just need to search for Teams. Comes up Microsoft Teams, click on it and select the install option to install it. After the installation done, your problem should be fixed. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.